Hi, I'm James from Finding Country and you've joined me here today at this beautiful 2-bedroom apartment in 10 Clarendon Place, Leamington Spa. Just a short walk from the town centre, the property has the added benefit of a fantastic garden at the rear. Let's take a look inside. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this fantastic property. You've joined me outside in the fabulous garden this property offers. It's really unique to find a property in the middle of a town centre with a garden of this size. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.